In this video, I will show you a technique for creating drum fills in your kompa Zouk beats. Drum fills are important elements in any Zouk rhythm. They are essential because they help build variation, add authenticity, and make the song feel more alive, allowing the singer to adapt more seamlessly to the beat. To achieve this, you need to start with the basics and gradually progress to more complex levels. Additionally, it's important to have good samples. If you don't have any samples, you can use the Easy Drummer plugin. Without further ado, let's get started. I typically like to add drum fills at the end of the beat. I consider this to be one of the final steps before mixing and mastering. The drums play a crucial role in establishing the vibe of the track and influence how the other instruments come in and out. Therefore, it makes sense to focus on this aspect at the end of the project. In this example, I'll be using one of my old beats to demonstrate. Solo a few instruments to help you focus on the drums without too many distractions. Ideally, just solo the bass and strings. Later, you can turn everything on again. Let's build up kick and other stuff. Watch carefully how I build up from the simple to the complex. We have created our basic drum loop. Now, we need to clone it and make minor changes to evolve from a basic to a more complex version. I cloned the main drum pattern because I want to maintain some consistency. I will remove these two to add some sort of swing. than just freestyling according to what I hear in my mind. That's why experts say a good producer must have sharper hearing than a regular person. It may seem overwhelming or complicated, but when we mix the elements, apply equalization, and pan from left to right, it will sound excellent. for watching. I hope you learned something new today. If you did, please like and share the video. If you want more tutorials like this, hit the subscribe button. See you next time.